Good afternoon. In this video, I'm going to talk about the passive voice. Passive voice, what is passive voice and how it plays a vital role in our communication? We are well aware of tenses and we use it, but when it comes to passive voice, so that impacts a lot when you are in workplace, organizations, institutions, and schools. You have to use passive voice. That is very easy at the same time interesting also. But how can we apply all these things in our communication? That's all about practice, and you must know why it's important for us. Every time we will not say subject, we will not say I and we. Sometimes work is important, not subject. Work or object is important. So in that case, we use passive voice. If I'm saying that I teach English, means tense, that's an active one. But when it comes to passive, then I will say English is taught here. No matters who thinks. Somebody should be there, but we are focusing on object that is English. Similarly, when subject is not present, when we are not giving value to subject, we are giving value to object, we use passive voice. Passive voice, meaning and sense, like meaning will be same, but the way will be changed. Okay. Similarly, we say my mama puts less salt in vegetables, and I can say in passive voice, less salt is put in vegetable by my mother. So what I am saying in next line, I'm using less salt means object is more dominant and predominant part, right? But in first sentence, I said that my mother puts less salt in that. That time subject was important, active. So you must know why we use active, why we use passive. When we are in workplace, when we are in school, we should use most probably passive voice. जैसे क्लास में हर क्लास में एक मॉनिटर अब कौन करता है पता नहीं है राइट मतलब वो सब्जेक्ट नहीं है देयर इज नो सब्जेक्ट इन दिस सेंटेंस so we will have to use passive voice that one monitor is opted in each and every class. Who opts? It's missing. But somebody should be there, but it is not that much important. That's why we're not mentioning the name of that person. We are just saying, what is that? That is monitor. That is object. That is called indirect object. One more sentence. नवरात्रों में प्याज यूज नहीं किया जाता है घरों में कौन नहीं करता टेंशन नहीं मेन काम चीज की बात कर रहे हैं प्याज की अनियन की ऑब्जेक्ट ठीक है तो अनियन इज नॉट यूज्ड ड्यूरिंग नवरात्रा in the Indian society, right? In that case, we use passive voice. Personality development class वहां conduct की जाती है कौन करता है we don't know. But in that case, personality development session is conducted there. Now the question rises which formula we apply. In each and every rule exists different formula which we will discuss later on.